Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace ink cartridges on a printer. I gotta raise this. Which one is the raise? I do not have a good battery. My battery's about to go dead, so okay, that's good. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace HP ink cartridges for printers. So yeah, so you can either experience a worn out ink cartridge by if it's either dried up or not, painting stuff right, or printing stuff right, or smears or whatever. So what we're gonna do is, mine's a copier scanner all in one. It's an HP NV5000 series. We're gonna lift a little lid up behind the scanner. Beneath the scanner, and this little ink cartridge inserts are gonna slide out. So what you're gonna do here is, I got a pack of these at Target, and HP 65 tricolor, 65 black. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it, which is pretty simple. Gotta do this quick before my battery goes dead. Okay, so you will find a black ink cartridge in a package, and tricolor. It's gonna say on, think of the tricolor one, it's gonna have a picture of this, so something, I don't even know, happy birthday Ellie or something, that's what it says. So this, we can take this junk off. This is the tricolor. So what we're gonna do is, on the, you're gonna first open it though. Gonna say something like tear here, and then you're gonna get it out of the housing or the packaging. Then there's gonna be this little HP sticker thingy. You just peel that off. What you're gonna do is, you see the little pink thing for the printer? Lift the little tab up, take the little cartridge, throw it away, we don't need it anymore, and insert the cartridge, lock it in there, and put it straight, and you should hear a clicking noise. If it's in right, it's gonna be facing the black, and it's gonna it's gonna click in there. Okay, you got that out of the way. And now we're gonna do the black ink cartridge. And you can just, like I said, a little wrapper again. Tear this off. You're gonna lift the little lid up for the black, do the same as the tricolor. And you're gonna slide it through and push it up and lock it in. It's gonna be facing the tricolor. We're gonna push the little tab down. And you can just close the lid, because now you're done. It's going to say, please checking the printer, please wait. And it's going to say genuine HP ink cartridges installed. Align, it's going to say align. Just press later. Don't have that much recording time. I mean, I do, but my battery is just very low on my camera, so yeah. It's gonna analyze the ink cartridges. So we're gonna get this photo paper. Open the package because I'm very in the photo printing. And you're going to insert it down like this, HP facing front up. Gonna open out the tray. You're gonna slide these in, just like butter. You're gonna hear a click, lift the tray up. Photo paper, okay. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So that's how to replace the paper and change the ink cartridges in your printer. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment below, and I will see you guys next time for more printer videos.